YouTube videos. I love the Dr. Phil Eminem one. It makes me giggle every time. But you also have done many bad things. For example, you use copyrighted characters even though you don't own them. So if I have a challenge for you, a game even, in front of you sits a computer with Ralsei on it. Your goal is not to go crazy.
Well, that doesn't actually sound too hard at all, actually. Man, what happened to me? I went like 5 seconds without Ralsei, man. Like, where am I now?
Hello, Frank. You actually died out there, but I brought you back to life just to give you an even worse game because you used a Mr. Incredible becoming uncanny meme in 2023. Because of that, I have no choice but to succumb you to the worst fate possible that I could imagine. Enjoy this game.